Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. Would you like to become an AI prompt engineer? Pay attention then, because I am already so excited for you to start your journey into this exciting field of Chatgpt. My name is Mazi Ezike Chinedu, and if you ever want to learn how to use the most popular AI chatbot, stay with me guys, because in this video I will show you how to get started with this AI chatbot, help you to get the most out of it, and then finally you will get to learn what the latest update entails. Alright? And that's fine. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to start by visiting chat.openai.com and then sign up with an email address, accept the disclaimers from ChatGPT, learn how to use ChatGPT, and then finally start writing your prompts and questions. Alright? And that's fine. So guys, before we delve into the business of the day, let's take a quick look at what ChatGPT is all about. Alright? So, in simpler terms, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. Okay? It is based on the GPT architecture, which is the generative pre-trained transformer architecture, specifically the GPT 3.5, which is a version of the model that was trained on a massive amount of text data in order to generate human-like text responses. Wow, that's wonderful, guys. Now, with this in mind, it is important to understand that this OpenAI's ChatGPT has unveiled an artificial intelligence movement exactly when it was rolled out recently. And if you observe critically, you will realize that ever since the release, the AI chatbot has dominated headlines and also preoccupied the minds of those running Twitter, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta, inspiring them to create their own generative AI project. Yeah? So guys, ChatGPT is currently not overrated. Users can come up with creative ideas for prompts, such as asking questions in search of funny answers, creating contents, improving their writing or Excel skills, finding and correcting a bug in a code, or summarizing a book as well. But hey guys, across all these areas, one thing is abundantly clear. What makes this AI tool remarkable isn't just how innovative it is, but how great it is at generating text, and also how accessible and easy it is to use as well. Alright? So, ChatGPT can hold conversational text interactions with users, which feels as natural as conversing with a well-informed person who sometimes hallucinates. Wow, it's incredible, guys. This is some next level stuff, guys. Yeah? Now, additionally, software developers can dance with this AI, even though it is still at an awkward stage, guys. Yeah? Although ChatGPT was only launched recently, but I can tell you that it has gained more than 100 million plus users by January 2023, becoming the fastest growing app of all time, surpassing TikTok not until Threads dethroned it in July 2023. Yeah? So guys, ChatGPT is so popular and high performing that some wonder if the AI chatbot could replace programmers, writers, and even doctors, and how it could revolutionize different industries and sectors as well. And that's beautiful, guys. So guys, that's that on what Chatgpt is all about. Now, how do we access or use Chatgpt? First things first, we're going to start by visiting chat.openai.com and then use an email address, a Google or Microsoft account to sign up. So guys, you will need to create an account on the OpenAI's website in order to log in and access Chatgpt for free. If you have never created an account, click on sign up and then follow the prompt to enter your information. OpenAI does require a valid phone number for verification in order to create an account on its website. Alright? Otherwise, log in with your OpenAI credentials. Okay? So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead to log in since I am already signed up to this great AI tool. Alright? But if you haven't signed up for the first time, you would have to accept the disclaimers from Chatgpt before you can chat with the AI chatbot. Read and accept them one by one in order to enter the chat. Alright? And that's fine. Now, let's learn how to use Chatgpt. So, once you have logged into your OpenAI's account on the Chatgpt side of the website, it is now time for you to get to know the AI tools window. Alright? So guys, here is a breakdown of the chatbot's interface. First is the new chat and hide sidebar button. So guys, on the left hand side of your screen, you will see a button for the new chat that you can click on in order to start a fresh conversation at any time. Yeah? So this feature is useful because the Chatgpt model remembers what was previously discussed in a conversation and will always respond with the context. So starting a new chat will create a new discussion without a context. Yeah? And that's fine. Now, another important feature to take note of is the chat history. Alright? Now, the left sidebar also keeps your previous conversations, making it accessible in case you need to go back to one. Although, there is this option for turning off chat history. So here, you can edit the title of each chat, share your chat history with others, or you can as well delete it. And that's fine. Now, another important feature of this AI chatbot is account. Okay? Clicking on your email address or name on the bottom left of your screen will give you access to your account information, including settings, the option to log out, help, and frequently asked questions from OpenAI. So now, if you don't have Chatgpt Plus, you will also see an upgrade to Plus button right here. And that's fine. Now, the next is your prompt, which is the questions or prompts that you give to the AI chatbot. And they will appear right here. Yeah? And that's fine. Okay? So now, the next is the Chatgpt's responses. Okay? Because whenever Chatgpt responds to your queries, the logo will always appear on the left hand side of the screen. The copy, thumbs up and thumbs down buttons appears to the right side of each responses. Yeah? And you can as well copy the text to your clipboard in order to paste it elsewhere and also provide feedbacks on whether the responses was accurate. This process helps to fine-tune the AI tool. All right, and that's fine. Okay, so the next important feature to take note of is the regenerate response feature. And this is a very useful feature, guys, because if you have issues getting a response in the chat or don't even get a satisfactory answer, then you can click on regenerate response in order to prompt Chatgpt to try again with a new reply from the latest prompt. All right, and that's fine. Now, the next important feature to take note of is the text area. In this section, you can enter your prompt and questions just like we have been doing, and then just hit enter to send. And that's perfect. Now, the next important feature you can take note of is the Chatgpt's version. All right, OpenAI included a bit of fine print right here below the text area where you can read the disclaimer that this is a free research preview. Additionally, Chatgpt may produce inaccurate information about people, places, or facts. Yeah? And finally, this section also shows the version of the Chatgpt model you are currently using. All right? And that's that on the breakdown of what you will see on the Chatbot interface. Okay? Now, the next in line is for you to start writing your prompts and questions. Yeah? So, now that you know how to log in and access Chatgpt, it is time to get started, guys. Okay? You can ask the language model any burning questions you might have and see what answers you will get. The possibilities are quite endless. All right? Chatgpt is a tool that can be applied in endless projects, from software development to writing translations and so on and so forth. All right? Additionally, Chatgpt can rewrite and improve your existing code. Just type in any Chatgpt prompt in the text bar and then press enter to submit your questions. The AI chatbot will then generate text to provide helpful answers to your queries. So guys, start writing in the text box area right here at the bottom of the page and then press enter to submit your prompt. And that's fine. So guys, what is the best way to use Chatgpt? Chatgpt can generate responses to prompts that are enough to become an essential tool for content generation. From writing essays to summarizing a book for you, a feature that could eventually challenge most search engines. Still, it can also write and fix codes, make calculations, help you to compile your resume, write Excel formulas, translate information, and so on and so forth. So, the better the prompt, the better the responses will be. Alright? So guys, here is an example of prompt you could start with. You could start with how does a computer store and process information. You can also ask the AI chatbot to analyze this code and tell you how to fix it. You can also write a poem about slavery in Africa. You can also ask what is the difference between a virus and a bacterium. And finally, you can as well write a sick note for your girlfriend who is missing school. And that's fine, guys. Now, that's that on what Chatgpt is all about. Thanks for watching, guys. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question about this lesson, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. See you soon, guys. Stay happy and always take care.